Welcome back to Login Helps. In 2026, the line between reality and imagination has completely dissolved. We are no longer just making videos. We're dreaming them into existence. Today, we're counting down the top 5 AI video generation tools that have redefined cinema, marketing, and content creation this year. Let's dive into the future. Starting our list is Google Veo. By 2026, Veo has become the gold standard for high-fidelity 1080p plus video. What sets Veo apart is its native understanding of cinematic language. You don't just tell it what to show, you tell it how to shoot. It understands pan, tilt, and dolly zooms perfectly. Plus, with its native audio generation, it creates the soundscape, the wind, the music, the footsteps, all in one go. It's the ultimate tool for those already deep in the Google ecosystem. Next up, the one that started the revolution, OpenAI's Sora. In 2026, Sora's understanding of physical world simulation is unmatched. If you need a scene where objects interact, like liquid pouring into a glass or a person walking through a crowded street, Sora handles the shadows, reflections, and object permanence better than anyone. It doesn't just draw frames, it simulates a 3D world, making it the top choice for filmmakers who need absolute realism. For the professional creators who need more than just a generate button, there's Runway Gen-3 Alpha. Runway has moved beyond simple text to video. Its director mode and motion brush features allow you to control the exact speed and direction of movement within a frame. In 2026, their multi-motion brush lets you animate different parts of an image independently. It's the professional's digital playground for fine-tuned storytelling. If speed is what you need, Luma Dream Machine is the current champion. It's incredibly fast at turning images into high-action video. In 2026, it has mastered keyframing, where you provide the first and last frame, and the AI fills in the middle with perfect consistency. It's the dream machine for a reason. It excels at fluid, surreal, and high-energy transitions that keep viewers glued to the screen. Finally, we have Pika 1.5. While others chase realism, Pika dominates the world of style and physics-defying effects. Their peak effects allow you to melt, crush, or inflate objects with a single click. It's become the go-to tool for viral social media content and stylized animations. If you want your video to stand out with a unique creative pop, Pika is the tool that refuses to play by the rules of reality. From Hollywood-grade realism to viral physics-bending clips, 2026 is truly the year of the AI creator. But remember, the tool is only as good as the prompt. Which of these are you using for your next project? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you navigate the world of AI video, give us a like and subscribe to Login Helps for more cutting-edge tech guides.